It is disheartening to be here today. Our football team is hurting. Our WSU community is fractured.
He was one of the most prominent and the highest paid employee in Washington state. But now WSU head football coach Nick Rolovich has been fired for not getting vaccinated against COVID-19.
The noncompliance with this requirement renders him ineligible to be employed at Washington State University and therefore can no longer fulfill the duties as a head coach of our football program effective immediately.
The school's athletic director and president sharing their disappointment, saying when they hired Rolovich nearly 2 years ago, they hoped he would be a long-term coach. Now the football program is once again in transition.
We need to infuse compassion, empathy, and unity back into our WSU community, and that healing process needs to begin immediately.
For months, Rolovich told the public he'd follow the mandate but didn't explain how. Here he is talking with King 5's Chris Daniels in September.
Have you received your shot or have you scheduled your shot?
Yeah, I'm not going to talk about that, Chris. I understand what you guys are trying to get to, but
are you seeking a religious or medical exemption?
I'm not going to talk about that either, Chris.
It later came out Rolovich applied for a religious exemption. It's unclear whether that was approved. The university just says it could not make accommodations.
I know I wanted to see Coach Rolovich and the other members of our football staff elect to take the vaccine.
WSU President Kirk Schultz says Rolovich and 4 assistant football coaches are now 5 of the less than 50 school employees terminated because of the mandate.
It's surreal is a good way to describe it, but it's really more just a lot of heartbreak for the young men in our locker room.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.